Many people are still struggling to get emotion paint production right. I see it all the time. Paints that crack, fade, or just don't have the smooth professional finish. And the truth is, if you don't get the formula and measurement right, your paint will fail. But don't worry, because I've got something that will completely transform the way you make emotion paint. Yes, I'm inviting you to join my 12 days emotion paint challenge. Over the next 12 days, I'll be teaching you step by step how to make different types of emotion paint from basic formula to advanced technique. If you've ever struggled with paint production, this is your chance to master it once and for all. And the exciting part is that the first person to comment on each of this video for the 12 days will win my paid ebook for free. Yes, you're going to be winning the paid ebook of this type of emotion paint for free. Yes. So hurry up and drop your comments below right now. Let's start the journey. To stay updated, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Very important, so you don't miss a single day of the challenge. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. This challenge is going to change everything for you. Are you ready? Let's get started. Drop a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in day one of the challenge. Bye for now.